to my YouTube channel again. Today we are going to cook matoke and liver stew. Karibuni. Let's start with the ingredients. We are going to have matoke. We have matoke here and some potatoes. We have my blended tomatoes, onions. We have oil. We have carrots, red and green bell pepper. We have tangawizi. And the liver is here already. We've soaked it in milk. We'll save it from the milk. Put some milk because tutaki kusikia hiyo smell ya liver. And then we have some coriander, and my spices today is paprika, garam masala, and coriander powder. Let's start cooking. Today we are going to use a jiko. Our heating, if you can see. Our oil is heated up already. So we add our kitunguu. We add our ginger, kitunguu imeiva. So we add our ginger and the red and green bell pepper. We add them in the kitunguu so they can cook together. Our bell pepper is done later, so we add our tomatoes. We are going to use the same tomatoes for our liver. At this point, we can also add carrots so that they can cook together too. We'll give it time to cook. Our onion is done, as you can see. In here I am adding my spices. I forgot to mention. Then we can add some salt. Enough to taste. Then now we can now add our matoke. In here, you can add the beef broth or chicken broth. But if you don't have that, just add normal water. For me, I love normal water. And then you give it some time to cook. Enough water. Then we cover. Give it time to cook. Okay. As our matoke is cooking, let's start cooking our liver. We heat our pan, oil. We're going to use same ingredients, same spices in the liver. Our oil is heated up, so we add our kitunguu. Our kitunguu is almost cooking, so we can add our bell pepper to cook together. At this point, we can add our spices, garam masala, we can add our paprika, we can add our coriander powder, and salt. Let's cook the bell pepper until they are ready. We can add our tomato. Give it time to cook so that we can add our liver. You can see the way when you blend the tomatoes, the way the soup is always thick, very thick. You can add a beef cube. I had one. I forgot to mention in the ingredients. So we add one. Make sure when you're adding a beef cube, you check your salt so that you don't overdo the salt, because beef cubes always have salt in them. Let's check if the tomatoes are ready. As you can see, they are ready. They have reduced the water has reduced in size. So this is the best time to have saved the milk in our liver. So now we'll input it. As I said, the milk is to make it not smell like the bloody smell in the liver, and it gives it a good flavor, and it also makes the liver cook faster. So give it some time to cook. Then we'll come back to check Our matokes are almost ready. So yes, our matokes are done. As you can see, it's very hot. You can see. Yes, there. They are done. So we can add our coriander. I don't cook my dania. Naekanga juu then nakoroga tu in all my meals. So tunaweka. Then we give it a good stir. Then we can serve as we wait for the liver to cook. They look so yummy, very yummy. I thought they'll be dry, but they're not as dry as I thought. But it's still okay. This is for my girl, so I am serving her already. Matoke is always very hot. Very hot. So let's wait for the liver to cook. You can see it's still cooking. It smells so yummy. Liver does not take so much time to cook. So this is already done. I can tell it's already done. So we put up our gas. And serve our liver. Our food is ready, as you can see. This is our liver. See the way it looks so yummy. This is our liver. This is our matoke. She has cooked so nicely. Then avocado hapo kando. Thank you so much for watching, and let's meet in the other one. It's a bye.